Managing your sales pipeline is perhaps the most crucial function of any business. In the case of professional services companies where the sales cycle is relatively long and have multiple touch points, it is even more important. Let's see how you can manage this process effectively with Zoho. Deals for a professional services companies goes through multiple stages. To keep it simple, you can define the stages of your sales cycle, and as the deal progresses, you can update the same. However, as your team grows in size, it might be a better idea to put in place a process discipline. You can do this via Zoho CRM Blueprint. The blueprint guides your sales team members throughout the sales process and reminds them to take notes, tick off checklists, etc. This way, you can gather critical information and nothing falls through the crack. While keeping track of an individual deal is crucial, it is important to keep yourself updated with a macro view of your sales pipeline. A sales funnel dashboard is ideal here for assessing the overall health of your pipeline. It's recommended that you add this dashboard to the homepage of your CRM instance so that you can see the status of your sales pipeline every single day, identify bottlenecks, and take appropriate actions. How cool is that? Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more interesting videos on the Zoho suite of apps and how you can leverage them for your professional services business.